Friends, I am Professor Sachin Ratnakar Kokne from ENTC Department of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we will be seeing a receiver of BASK, that is Binary Amplitude Shift Keying. Let us start with ASK receiver, that is Amplitude Shift Keying receiver. So this is what the block diagram of ASK receiver. The input signal is ASK signal that we are passing through band pass filter, which is centered at FC. Then we are passing it through envelope detector. Output of envelope detector is going as input to the comparator. Then at the output we will be getting our original signal, that is digital data. Okay, so let us see each block how it works. Okay, so before that let us see how ASK signal is. So this is what ASK signal. Whenever there is bit 0, that time carrier is absent. Whenever bit is 1, that time we are getting carrier as output. Okay, again whenever there is bit is 0, no output. Whenever there is bit 1, we are getting carrier. And this carrier we are considering is having frequency of FC value. Okay, so by using a bandpass filter, we are collecting our ASK signal. If we consider this spectrum diagram, we can easily understand. So this is what baseband signal spectrum, carrier at FC value, and this is what bandpass signal, means ASK signal spectrum. So by using a bandpass filter, here we are capturing our this ASK signal. Okay, so once we filter our ASK signal, this filtered ASK signal we are giving as input to the next block, that is what envelope detector. So what actually envelope detector is? So that envelope detector consists of this, that is one diode, capacitor, resistor. Means what? When we give input as ASK signal to the diode, as we know, diode is a unidirectional device. So whenever there is a positive cycle, that time this diode will be forward bias, and for negative cycle this diode will be reverse bias. Okay, and in ASK signal, just now we have seen that in ASK, this is what our ASK signal, right? So when we pass this ASK signal through envelope detector, so the first device is what? Diode, right? So through this diode, when we are passing this ASK signal, we will be seeing this. When there is no signal, input to the diode is 0, so output is 0. Okay, and for positive cycle, the diode will be forward bias, so we will be getting output for positive cycle. Okay, when diode gets forward bias, that time the next component is what? Capacitor. So during positive cycle, this diode will be forward bias, and this forward bias voltage will charge this capacitor. So this charge will hold positive peak value like this here. Here we can see the capacitor is charged till the peak of the positive half cycle. Okay, and when negative cycle starts, that time this diode will be in switch off mode. Okay, so whatever the charge stored by this capacitor, that will get discharged through this resistance. Okay, so the charging path will be through diode and through capacitor like this, and discharging will be like this through resistance. Okay, so till negative cycle, this is what positive peak hold by this capacitor, it going discharging like this, and when positive cycle comes, next positive cycle, again it starts charging, again it reaches to the positive peak, and for negative cycle the diode will get switch off and capacitor will start discharging like this. Again for positive cycle, this capacitor will charge, and for negative cycle this capacitor will start discharging through that resistance. So this will occur for every positive half cycle. Now the next next is what? 0. So for 0, now this capacitor will discharge completely and output will remain 0 as it is. Okay, so this is what envelope detector output. So this output we are giving to the next block, that is what? Comparator. Okay, so the role of comparator is what? The output of envelope detector that will be compared with threshold voltage. Okay, so here we are taking threshold level as 0 volt. If output of envelope detector is greater than 0, okay, then this comparator will give output as transmitted bit is 1. If envelope detector output is 0, that time this comparator will take the decision that transmitted bit is 0. Okay, means threshold will be in between 0 and 1. If I consider this as envelope detector output, I am redrawing. Okay, again like this. If I consider this as 1 volt and this is at 0 volt, then threshold will be in between of these two. We will be taking average, that is what? 0.5 volt. Okay, so the comparator will be having reference voltage of the comparator will be having reference voltage of 0.5 volt. If input signal is greater than 0.5 volt, then comparator will take the decision that transmitted bit is 1. If the input signal is having amplitude less than 0.5 volt, then comparator will take the decision that transmitted bit is 0. Okay, so that's why this comparator is also called as decision making device, because it is going to take decision whether the transmitted bit is 1 or 0. So like this, at the end of comparator, again we will get our original digital data. So this is what ASK receiver. Thank you.